To see the stars and other objects in the sky due to reflection?
Yes, not all bodies have light of their own. Some bodies are visible only because they receive light from other objects and reflect it. Objects that have light of their own are called luminous objects, and others that don't are called illuminated objects. For example, the sun, a lit candle, and a glowing bulb are luminous bodies, while the moon, a table, and a book are illuminated objects. Tina is fascinated with the mirrored walls. She can see so many Tinas, she can't even count them.
Hey, Tina, I have a surprise for you.
A kaleidoscope. That's so cool. Look at all those beautiful patterns.
Aren't you curious about how all these lovely patterns are formed?
Is it due to reflection of light?
Well, yes, but a kaleidoscope goes a step further. It works on the principle of multiple reflections.
Oh, how's that?
Well, you can see innumerable reflections of yourself in these mirrored walls, right? A kaleidoscope utilizes the same phenomenon. Multiple images are a result of multiple reflections. That is, light rays are reflected many times across a set of mirrors. Some other examples of multiple reflections are found in mirror maze, saloon, periscope.
I'd sure like to see how my kaleidoscope works.
Well, let me show you through an activity. Let's take two plain mirrors and fix them in such a way that their edges form an angle of 90 degrees. Now place a small shell between the mirrors. What do you observe?
I can see a total of 4 shells.
Yes, one is the shell and the other three are its images. That's a result of multiple reflections across two mirrors.
But why only 3 images this time?
The number of images depends on the angle between the mirrors. The greater the angle between the mirrors, the lesser the number of images formed. Therefore, infinite images are formed when mirrors are kept parallel. Now let's see how this works in a kaleidoscope. You need 3 rectangular strips of mirror, each around 20 centimeters in length and 5 centimeters wide. A circular cardboard. A circular piece of ground glass. A plain glass disc. Adhesive tape. Chart paper. And some pieces of small colored glass.
Okay, we've got everything. Now what?
Join the 3 strips of mirror to form a triangle and fix them using the adhesive tape. Fix the mirrors into a circular tube made from the chart paper. Close one end of the tube with a cardboard disc which has a hole in the middle. Paste a transparent paper on the disc. Invert the circular tube. On the other end, fix the plain glass disc and put colored pieces on it. Then, close the end with the ground glass. The glass pieces should be small enough to move between the plain and the ground glass discs. Now, look through the hole on the cardboard disc.
Oh wow! It works! I can see so many colorful patterns every time I turn the tube. Hey, it's drizzling. And look, a rainbow. Isn't it beautiful?
Yes, the formation of a rainbow is a natural phenomenon. It occurs due to the dispersion of light. You know that sunlight, which is white, consists of 7 colors.
Yes, I know. We refer to the colors in the rainbow as Vibgyor.
That's right. We can reproduce a rainbow by passing a beam of light through a prism. You'll learn more about rainbows and dispersion of light in higher classes. This brings you to the end of this lesson on reflection in plain